All right, time for some birthdays on this Thursday morning, and we're going to begin in Mulberry with Jasper Russell, who's turning 6. Happy birthday, Jasper.
And Easton Hines celebrating birthday number 10 in Anderson, Missouri.
And Caden Bauer celebrating birthday number 12 in Fairland with love from Mom, Dad, and Kane.
Alexis Abbott celebrating number 22 this year in Chanute. Happy birthday, Alexis.
And we've got Gianna Cable celebrating birthday number 45. Happy birthday to you.
Jean Myrick celebrating number 59 this year. Somebody's ready for Christmas again, it looks like.
And we've got Jeff and Bev Bieber celebrating their 32nd anniversary in Joplin. Very happy anniversaries to the Biebers.
And out in Arcadia, Kansas, Tina Berkeley celebrating another year wiser. Hope you have a great one.
All right, Tanya, where do people need to send their celebrations to so that we can celebrate with them?
All they have to do is email their pictures and all the information, don't forget their name and the date for sure, to birthdayswithans@komnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking it out for all the cool features it has, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get special deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.